Here's the first part of Chapter 9 of French for Reading. We're going to look at negative expressions, which are pretty complicated in French. There's a lot of different things that can go on. So we're going to work step by step through them. Now, we've already seen the expression ne pas, and that is the bread and butter of negative expressions. There's about at least half the negative expressions are ne pas, and that means not. Now you have to be careful because pa also means a step, step by step. So if there's a definite article before the pa, it's going to mean a step rather than part of the a negative expression. And the ne pas goes around the conjugated verb. Il ne parle pas. He does not speak. So here we've got in the passé composé, it'll go around the helping verb. Il n'a pas parlé. He did not speak. Okay, now the next negative expression that we're going to use is ne jamais, and that means never, and it's formed the same way. The ne and the jamais go around the conjugated verb. Il ne parle jamais. He never speaks. Or in the past tense, it would be il n'a jamais parlé. He never spoke. And the third one we're going to look at is ne plus, and that means no longer or no more. Il ne parle plus. So he no longer speaks. It goes, the ne and the plus go around the conjugated verb. So here we have a first set of exercise, and it's important to write your answer to every single one before moving on to the next video that'll give you the answers for these.